Here's a mistake that trips up Angular beginners. They import HttpClient at the top of their component file and wonder why it doesn't work. The secret? HttpClient is a service, not a regular import. Before you can use HttpClient anywhere in your app, you need to configure it at the module level. In traditional Angular apps, import HttpClient module in your app modules imports array. If you're using standalone components, call provide HttpClient in your app config providers. This step is crucial because it registers HttpClient as an available service throughout your application. Now, in your component, you do need one import statement. Import HttpClient from angular/common/http. But this just brings in the type definition. To actually use it, you inject it through Angular's dependency injection system. The most common way is constructor injection. Add a private parameter in your constructor with the HttpClient type. Angular will automatically provide the instance when your component is created. Angular 14 introduced an alternative, the inject function. Instead of constructor parameters, you can call inject HttpClient and assign it to a class property. Both approaches work identically, but inject is more concise and works well with functional programming patterns. Choose whichever fits your team style. The key insight: HttpClient isn't something you import and use directly like a utility function. It's a service that Angular manages. You declare the dependency, and Angular provides the configured instance. This pattern ensures proper lifecycle management and makes testing much easier since you can mock the injected service. To recap, configure HttpClient module or provide HttpClient, import the HttpClient class for typing, inject it via constructor or the inject function, and remember it's a managed service. Master this pattern and you'll handle HTTP requests like a pro. Ready to level up your Angular skills? Subscribe for more interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.